Hi, I'm Megan, welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm going to share how I made this crochet puff stitch garland. Super easy. I used white medium weight acrylic yarn, a 5mm hook, and a pair of scissors for this project. Start by making a slip stitch and placing it on the hook. Chain 1. Pull up a loop about an inch tall, yarn over, and place your thumb on top of the loops to help hold them in place. Go through the same chain space, yarn over, and pull up the loop to the same height as the other loops. 3 loops on the hook. Yarn over, again hold those loops down, through the same chain space, yarn over, pull up the loop. 5 loops on the hook. Last time, yarn over, through the same chain space, yarn over, pull up a loop, 7 loops on the hook. Yarn over, pull through all 7 loops, chain 1. I like to pull this down nice and snug. Then chain 1 again. And there you go, first puff stitch is done. Repeat the same process. Pull up a loop, yarn over, through, yarn over, 3 loops, yarn over, through, yarn over, 5 loops, yarn over, through, yarn over, 7 loops, yarn over, pull through all 7 loops, chain 1, tighten down, chain 1. And repeat over and over again until you have used up all of your yarn or reached your desired garland length. If you wanted to make fuller or thinner puffs, you can by adjusting the number of loops on your hook before you finish the puff. This one here is 9 loops on the hook. Here is 7, 5, and 3. Here's how mine turned out with 7 loops in each puff. That's it, it turned out lovely and it looks beautiful on my tree. How much garland will you need for your tree? Great question. Thank you for asking. According to the internet, for every vertical foot of tree that you have, you will need 9 feet of garland. So for example, if you have a 6-foot tall tree, you will need 54 feet of garland. Even though I made this garland with the intentions of using it for my Christmas tree, I also think that it would make a really lovely decoration for other areas in my home and for other events other than Christmas. If you enjoyed this video, please be sure to give it a like so I know to make more videos like it in the future, and be sure to subscribe for those future videos. If you've made it this far, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!